Here's I'll show you how to take screenshot in Samsung Galaxy A16 with button and without button. To take a screenshot with button, just press your power button and volume down button at the same time. And here you can see a screenshot captured. Now to take screenshot without button, open your control. Tap on edit. Here selecting full, and here we have to add the screen capture option. So all you have to need, here you will find take screenshot. Just add this action in your control, tap on done. Now whenever you want to take a screenshot, open your control, full control, and just tap on take screenshot, and here you can see a screenshot successfully captured. Thanks for watching.